Hey guys, welcome back to Uwanimbie Home. If you're new, my name is Lillian. My middle name is Uwanimbie, by the way, in case you're wondering what Uwanimbie Home means. And in today's video, I just realized that I have never actually done like an entryway or a console table decor. I realized that I did do a video that showed like the steps by step as to how to like style an entryway, but I didn't really show you guys how I style my entryway. So today we're going to be doing that. But before we get into the video, if you've been looking for a channel that's going to ensure that your true self is being reflected in your home decor and lifestyle, then girl, this is a channel for you. I'm like running out of breath. This is a channel for you. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, like and comment down below, and also to follow me on my Instagram at Uwanimbie Home. I post a lot of goodies there, so I want you guys to follow me. With that being said, let's get into the intro.
At the end of your labor, home is where the heart is. Home is where the heart is. Don't you know? Ile.
So I do want to say that I did not have to go out to buy anything, because you guys, I already own all of this stuff, so there is no point of going out to buy anything. And yeah, let's get into it. So I'm going to show you two looks here. So this console table is about 80-inch long. So it's pretty long, and I wanted it like so because I wanted something that's going to like really frame this area. And so one thing that you want to make sure is that you measure your place and really see what's going to happen. I do want to put two sconces here and here. So that's going to be probably happening this weekend, and I'll show you guys that later on. But let's get into styling the console table. So I'm gonna go ahead and start using first I'm starting with books. I got this book from the thrift store, and I just spray painted it, and we're gonna be using that. Put that in the middle. And one thing I want to say is that you always want to use odd numbers. For some reason, odd numbers makes things look more balanced and cohesive. And I'll be using this as well. And I feel like when you put a coffee table, you always want something on top of it. I don't know, it just gives it some extra humph. And then I'm going to be using this crystal that I got from Homegoods, and I'm going to be putting that over here. So this is the look right now. And then we can go ahead and use this vase over here. I got this vase from Homegoods. It was originally yellow, and I spray painted it black, and I left this little thing here because I really liked it. And usually you probably could put like a flower in here, but for this vase I just want to use this little, what is this called? I'm gonna put it right here. Okay, that looks good. And then the next thing that I'm gonna bring in is a little bowl. I honestly have some Christmas decoration in here, and I just put some of this here. I'm looking for something better to put in this bowl, but until then we're gonna do this. And I'm gonna put this bowl right here. And this I got from Z Gallery. And that is look one. I really feel like you probably could put 5 items here, but because my items are a little on the bigger side, I really want to keep it this simple, and these 3 items are perfect for me. So that's look number 1. Let me go ahead and show you guys. So as you can see, I still have my Christmas items in there, but here's the book, and then the crystal and the vase. And that is look number 1. Okay, so I probably could use this. So I got this from Homegoods, again, it was like $59.99. But the only thing is that I do not like this little thing. It kind of reminds me of something farmhouse, because this vase does look a little farmhousey. So what I'm going to do is turn it around. I'm going to turn it around here. And when you're also, let me come over here because I think you guys can see me over there. When you're also thinking about decorating your console table, you also want to take into consideration height. And so the height, you know, you want to make sure that you have something that is low, high, medium, and so on and so forth. So what I'm thinking to do now it's probably bringing another item. You can put this over here. I like that this kind of has that greenery, and also it's really elegant. I don't know if this is gonna work, but let's see how that works. Let me take a look and see how it's working. Okay, so I love that plant over there. So I'm thinking another thing I could do it. So I also love using books as well. This is a Ferrari book that I got from Homegoods. Love that it's big. So what I can do is, I don't know. I'm gonna let go of this because I'm not feeling this vase at all. Because I feel like it's not going with the vibe. So what I can do is lay in. I love layering books. So we can put this over here. Yeah, I think that works way better. As you can see, I'm kind of using lots of blacks. There is a method to my madness. And then we're gonna use this right here. I got this from a thrift store, and I was thinking of changing it to black, but this color looks really good. And it's actually one of the thrift store finds that I will be talking about in my next video, but that looks good over there. What about this bowl right here? It makes a very simple statement. In this case, I feel like we can put more items here. We can put more items here. I'm not sure, but I love the more items thing. Okay, so I'm thinking this would work. So put this back a little bit. So what I'm doing is grouping them into three. So I'm grouping this into three, and this is considered as one item, okay? Because it's grouped together. Okay, so and I grouped it into threes. I think that works. And if anything, I like that the gold and the black and white is still peeping through. Another thing I probably could do also, another thing that I probably could do is probably use maybe this. I don't know, let me see how that looks. Okay, I think I'm liking the candles more. The candle looks better in terms of the height variations. So we're gonna go with the candle. And I love this. So if you feel like it's gonna fall, push it back a little, and then, you know what I mean? And that is in itself is a look. I love that. I love that a lot actually. Let's go ahead and hide this $12.99 sign over there. And obviously you can put some greeneries, and that is that. This looks really amazing. I'm actually digging it a lot. I'm digging it a lot. I actually haven't done this before, and I love it. So tell me what you think. So that was for the long console table. I do want to show you guys something different that you can do with a shorter console table, because remember I told you this was an 80-inch console table, and so I have more space. I can even do fives when it comes to the items that I'm using, but I decided to do this three. I just like when there's space and minimal things going on. Okay, so that's that. Let me show you guys. Okay, so as you can see, that is the vase. So I got that golden black and white going on there, a little bit of the greenery, and that is that. Okay guys, let's move on to the next area. Okay, so there's minimal lighting over here. Let's see how we can work with that. Okay, so I got this console table from Homegoods. It's a little champagne. I like the color. It's not really bright gold, so it's really pretty. Let me see if I can show you a better look of it. So that is a console table. I don't know if I want to keep it because I was going to use it as a sofa table, but I don't think it goes well because it's a little short for a console table, for a sofa table. Oh, wow. So what I'm going to do here is still going for the threes, you know, because you want to group in odd numbers, and 3 is probably the maximum this can do, okay? So what I'm thinking to do is, let me go grab what I think might work for this place. Oh, baby. So I am thinking like a lamp here would work. This right here, love this lamp. Like the tone of it. And you know what? I still have the tag on this, by the way. The thing that we can do is just follow it. Okay? At this point, we don't want to be doing too much. Maybe we'll put a book here. Just give me a second. Just a little bit of a plate right here. Just like that. Something simple and not doing too much. So for a little cute moment here, this works. The lamp, I'm not so sure. I'm not so sure of the lamp. I feel like if I bring in another element, like another texture, let me see. If I bring in like another texture, maybe something like this to take away the gold plate. And just put something like this. That might work. Okay, that might work. Yeah, this works better because it has that wood texture of the lamp, and you know, just like so. Not so bad. And if we're not filling the lamp, we can also change the item. Alright guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know what look you like. The first one and the second one on this console table, and the last one on the shorter console table. Let me know which vibe goes well with you. I'll see you in my next